How to scan QR code on WeChat. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can scan QR code on WeChat. For that, you'll have to open your WeChat application on your mobile device, and on this page you will see plus icon at the top of the screen next to search icon. Click on that icon and some options will pop up. There you will see scan option at the third. Click on the scan, and from here you can scan the QR code. If you want to scan the QR code from your device, then click on this album icon. Then you can select the QR that you have saved on your phone. After clicking on it, it will scan and you can find the person there. So in this way you can scan QR code on WeChat. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. So hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.